Hello guys, welcome to Trends Tech. Today I'm with k16, a smartwatch. Let's unbox this beautiful watch from China and see what it offers. So let's start. So as you can see, this is a black color strap watch inside, which is already indicated on top of the box. So while we open, we'll see another box which have the watch and the strap and the charger, hopefully. First we can see a user manual. It has in Chinese and also in English. And this is the strap. Let's open. Okay. So this is the strap. It's in black color. Yeah, the quality is good. And here we go, the charger. So this is basically a wireless charger. You can't normally I have seen many magnetic pins for other smartwatches, but this doesn't have any magnet pin. So this is wireless, and this is our k16. So this is the sensor part. It says that it's a ceramic case and it's waterproof, and it got two buttons. I can see that. And guys, this is series 6 watch. Okay, so you can see it is aluminum and ceramic case, so it's well coated, very neat, very good looking. So let's see. I'm not sure whether it's have battery charge. So let me remove the sticker. Okay, let me try opening it. So I'm using the second button. I think that is the one for the power. Okay, it's open. So you can see it's mentioned smartwatch. So here we're going to charge this watch. For that I took the wireless charger, plugged in the USB, and here you can see there is two sides. Okay, one is flat, one is little curvy. So we have to place the watch on the curvy side. So you can see the light is green. So now when you place on the right place, you can see it turned to red. So it means it's getting charged. Yeah, on the screen also you can see it is getting charged. So now I'll show you how to set up an Apple logo. So this is the way I entered a number on the dial pad. So now hopefully the Apple logo is set. So let's see. Okay, so it's already done. So let me try switching on. Yeah, it's already done. So basically you have to go to the dial pad and enter the number as I shown. So the setup will be changed. Yeah, you can see this touch is very smooth. The display is in good quality, HD, very clear. Yeah, I have just changed the menu design. So now it's a 6 menu design, and you can change to 9, and you can adjust the brightness. Yeah, so you can change to 9 apps. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So now I'm going to show you how to set up a wake up gesture. So I switched on it. So basically when you twist your hand, yes, like this, you can see automatically the screen wakes up. Here you go. So it's nothing, you just have to go to the settings and select the wake up gesture and switch it on. So now let's see how to connect this watch to the mobile phone. So first I chose the QR code to scan. You can also see this in the user manual. So I'm scanning. Okay, so here I got the app link. So the name says WW Fit. So as I'm using Android, so I'm selecting from Google Play Store. Open. Okay. Here you can see the accessibility menus. Okay, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure. Okay, so now I have clicked to find the device. Okay. So I'm going to go with some. Okay. So already there. Use one. Okay, I gave the permission. Go back. Okay. Find device. So it's getting connected from the mobile. Also let me check the watch. Okay, go to the dial button. It says connect or cancel. So connect. Search new device. It's searching. Okay, now it's detected. So I'm selecting it. So hopefully now it will ask permission to pair. So I'm giving the permission. Yeah, I got the request also pair. Yeah. So it's connected, guys. So now let me see if the calling feature is working. So let me call my brother. So you can see when I'm calling from my mobile, it's showing in my watch display also. Let me try disconnecting from the watch. Okay, yeah, so it's disconnected. So for that, I connected the device. Go to dial push. So there you can see all the dials. There you have to go customize. Okay, then select the dial, take from the gallery. Okay, let me choose one. Okay, send. Sorry, connect. Now it's sent. So it's already done, guys. Let me change. I didn't like that design. Let me change the design. Let me change the wallpaper. Go to select from the album. Let me select another one. Okay, complete, send. Okay, so now it's pushing to the watch. Oh, it's so fast. So now let me check if it is changed. Okay, it's already changed, but the time shows on top of the wallpaper, which I need to change. Okay, dial type change to clock. Send. Same time it's been changed. Now it's look better. Okay, here we go. Okay. Wow, it's really looking good. So now let me show you some features. So this is the find device feature. In case you don't know where your mobile is, so you can use this feature. Okay, let me see if it is working. So it's ringing. Okay, again, let me try. Start. Okay, same time. Mobile is ringing. So this way I can easily find where my mobile is. Now the other one is the phone book. It's okay, let me see the calculator. The touch is very smooth, guys. Even though the screen is very small, but it's very easy to use the calculator. So that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed.